Salutations guys, Hayden here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Because they're all doing fantastic. I'm sitting in the car. I'm actually waiting in line to pick up my nephew from school. But as I was leaving the house, I just got this in the mail and I'm really excited about it. And I cannot wait to open it with you. So, quick backstory. Maison, I hope I'm saying it correctly, Maison de Sabre. They released a new collab with Pokemon and like Pikachu or something. And I am obsessed with Pikachu. I have been ever since the game came out years ago. And I had to pick up a couple of the pieces for myself. And they have arrived. So I got three things. Oh, cute. I'm going to save this. That is adorable. I got three things. I'm going to open the biggest one last. I'll open up the small ones first. And see how cute they are in person. I already have a bunch of their charms already. The fruit charms, I think I have a lemon, an orange, a pear. I got my mom a strawberry. So I have a few of them already. And I also have the Hello Kitty one when they did that. Oh, that is so stinking cute. Do you see that? The little heart eyes are so adorable. He kind of has like a little blemish on his face, but like that's fine. You see right there, he looks like he has like a little pimple or something. But that is still so cute. I have to see the other ones. I thought the heart eyes one was so fun. Okay, let's get these other ones opened up. Try and do this right before the bell rings because I think the bell is gonna ring any minute. Also, there's like a car next to me and like there's like people sitting there. I think they're staring at me. But oh, here's the other one. This one is so adorable. The winking one. Oh my gosh. The detail that they put into these is crazy too. Like, look at all the leather, like all the little different leather pieces that are put together to make the face are everything. Like, just his mouth has like 3 different pieces of leather. So that's so cute. I really like the winking one. I was going to keep one of those for myself and then I was going to give the other one away to, I don't know, as like a gift or something. And I think I'm going to keep the winking one. Okay, this is the big one. This one I was super excited about. They actually came out with a bag as well. But the bag sold out really quickly. I like set my notifications too. Like I had a timer and everything. By the time I got online to order, they were sold out. Also, this one sold out quickly as well. The same day when I looked at the charms, like the smaller ones, those were still available. I don't know if they are still now. But this is the last one. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I'm flabbergasted. This one is like the little coin case. This is so cute. Well, like even like the, how did they get that in there without, oh, I broke it, but I was like, this is like the shape of Pikachu's head. That is so cute. Let me just leave that out anyway, because I want to put this in my bag already. That is so cute. Oh, also the little leather pull, the little pull is a little lightning bolt. This is so cute. Okay, so let's put this on my bag right now. Right now I have my puzzle bag. Right now I actually have like this little mouse on it, which is funny because Pikachu is a lightning mouse, right? Let's take this off. Let's throw this on. It's kind of large, but like I'm kind of obsessed with that. Hold on. Oh, that is so stinking cute. I'm beyond obsessed. That looks so fun. What do you guys think? Yes? But yeah, that was my quick little unboxing of my new Maison de Sabre charms and coin case. This Pikachu is so adorable. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, let me know what you guys thought. Let me know which one was your favorite little charm Was it the little eyes, a heart eye one, this one, or that? Comment down below. Aren't these so adorable? They're all so adorable though. And tune in tomorrow for a new video. Join me out with the live sales. Every Saturday, 10 p.m. Pacific time. 10 p.m. Saturdays, 11 a.m. Mondays, and I sprinkle in live sales throughout the week as well. So join me. And yeah, give the video a thumbs up. Say hi down below in the comments. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Alright, thank you for checking it out. This was a short video, but I just really wanted to do a quick unboxing of this guy. It's so cute. I wonder if you could fit... Hold on, actually. Do you think you could fit a credit card? No, I don't think a credit card will fit inside. I think it's a little small. But change will definitely fit. And like a little cash or whatever. That is so cute. Okay, thanks for hanging out. Love you guys. Bye!